Excuse me, Bobcats. If we could have your attention. And please remain quiet for one more. We have a special presentation.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Bobcats. How are you? So we are honored to be here today to recognize one of your own. The VFW and Auxiliary sponsor an award every year to recognize deserving teachers across the country. The VFW National Citizen Education Teacher Award. This program looks to recognize teachers who promote civic responsibility, flag etiquette, and patriotism. A teacher who fosters the development of democratic values and beliefs through special projects. Each VFW Post sponsors a teacher from the elementary, middle school, and high school. Our Post and Auxiliary has selected Mr. David Raymond for this award.
Did you know about this?
Oh no, but go ahead. Congratulations.
Appreciate that so much.
We got a couple up here, so you're going to stay here for a few minutes.
Okay. Should I go over here? Right here.
We selected Mr. Raymond for his unique approach to teaching history through the use of Bobblehead George, traveling across the country, videotaping historical sites and meeting historical figures. And he demonstrates his passion and excitement to motivate the students to become interested in United States history. Our Post is proud to present the following certificate and monetary award. Veterans of Foreign Wars of the United States National Citizen Education Teacher, Post 2493 Recognition Award, presented to David Raymond, Northeastern Middle School, grades 6 through 8, in recognition of promoting citizenship education in your classroom and school. In witness whereof, we have hereunto set our hands and the official seal of Veterans of Foreign Wars of the United States, this 18th day of April. Roger Miller, Commander. Sandy Brenner, Auxiliary President.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. This is amazing.
Stand by, we got a couple more here for you.
Really?
Yeah.
So now, all Post selectees then compete at the district level, which encompasses York, Adams, and Franklin County. And we are excited to announce that Mr. Raymond was selected as our district winner. On behalf of District 21 Commander Christine Smith, who was unable to attend, it is my honor to present you with the following certificate, plaque, and monetary award.
Wow.
VFW Smart-Maher Teacher Award, David Raymond, grades 6 through 8, 2023, 2024, District 21.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. Thank you so much. That's amazing.
You're not done yet.
Now, all district awardees then compete at the state level. Our state VFW has 25 districts, and Mr. Raymond was selected as the top educator in our state competition. Now we have an engraved crystal trophy, a citation from our national commander, and we also have a citation from our national commander. So if the school principal is here.
Jason, did you know about this?
Yes, I did.
So the first thing we have here is our state award. Department of Pennsylvania Veterans of Foreign Wars Citizenship Education Award. Certificate of recognition presented to David Raymond, Northeastern Middle School, grades 6 to 8, in recognition of excellence in promoting citizenship education and the patriotic principles of the Veterans of Foreign Wars. In witness whereof, we have hereto set our hands an official seal of the Department of Pennsylvania Veterans of Foreign Wars of the United States this first day of March 2024. David W. Giger and Glenn Owen, State Chairman.
You have that one.
Thank you.
We also have this crystal apple trophy. It says VFW Smart-Maher Citizen Teacher Award, Middle School, 2023-2024. And then it has Post and District on this side, Department on this side.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
That's pretty cool. That's heavy. I don't want to drop that. That's heavy.
Now, we have a citation from our National Commander, Veterans of Foreign Wars of the United States, 2023-2024 Smart-Maher VFW National Citizenship Education Teacher Award, awarded to Dave Raymond, Northeastern Middle School, Mount Wolf, Pennsylvania, in recognition of being selected to the State Smart-Maher Teacher Award winner for the citizenship education. In witness whereof, we have hereunto set our hands in the official seal of the Veterans of Foreign Wars, Dwayne Sarmiento, Commander-in-Chief, Dan West, Adjutant General.
Wow. Thank you.
We'll get this one with a little picture for you there.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Yes. Well, thank you for the great job that you do. And I don't know if you'd like to say a few words to everybody, and then I got something for your principal. So.
All right. Wow. Thank you. I don't know what to say. Just thank you so much. I have a great gig. I told somebody that the other day. I get to come to school every day and hang out with some really cool kids down there on the green team. See you guys. And I get to teach you guys about something I'm passionate about. Oh, thank you. There we go. You guys are great. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the job you do. Well earned. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Sir, thank you very much. Yes, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
So our national commander also has a citation to give to the school of the state winner. Veterans of Foreign Wars of the United States, 2023-2024 Smart-Maher VFW National Citizenship Education Teacher Award, awarded to Northeastern Middle School, Mount Wolf, Pennsylvania, in recognition of being selected as a state VFW Smart-Maher School Award for Citizenship Education. In witness whereof, whereunto set our hands the official seal of the Veterans of Foreign Wars, Dwayne Sarmiento, Commander-in-Chief, Dan West, Adjutant General.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
No problem. You guys have fun here.
We will.